Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the Leman signal indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays buy and sell signals on the chart based on the current price action. It displays buy signals with green dots and sell signals with red dots. The signals shown by this indicator are trend-following signals, meaning they align with the trend. And when these signals are generated, we can enter trades in the direction.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Of the trend. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The only option available when adding this indicator is the N parameter, which determines the calculation period of the indicator. The higher we set this period, the fewer signals we will get, and the signals generated will be based on longer trends. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.